Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. In case you're watching our video for the first time, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss on our future videos. So in today's video, I'm going to share our sari kuchu orders that we worked prior to all this lockdown thing started. So first and second part are already up. Just in case if you have missed them, I'm going to link them all in the I button. So please do take a look. So this video is a part 3. I didn't want to make it too long and bore you guys, so that is the reason I'm posting it in parts. So this is a very beautiful mustard and pink colored sari where we worked this kind of design. The video tutorial of this design is already posted long ago. I will try to link that in the I button as well. So this one is a very pretty I think it's gray, off-white and khaki kind of combination. The sari was really pretty. Since it has this off-white base, I have tried to use pearls to match the base of the sari and small gold beads to match the pallu. So this design came out really well and it looks very pretty. It's very easy to work as well, so check out our tutorial and you can try it yourself. In case you happen to try it yourself, do share it on Facebook. We have a closed group called the Crochet Club by Naughty Threads, so join the group and share your work so that I get to see how you guys work. So this next sari is this is not a silk sari, it's just a fancy sari, kind of Banaras sari. So we have kept the kuchu very simple. We have just tied baby kuchu because that's all customer wanted for this sari. But we have tried using two colors. Since the pallu is blue, we have skipped that color and we have used the other two colors. So this is how you will have to choose the colors when you're working on saris with more colors. So this next one is also a very pretty combination, light blue and dark blue kind of combination. So for this, since the sari had silver zari, we kind of used silver beads to give that break, and kuchu we have tied both the colors. So the length of the kuchu is very small, just to give it that cute look. So the bead, instead of the silver bead, you guys can use small crystals or kardana or anything of your choice. So this next one is kind of a jute silk sari. It's bright yellow and a brick red kind of combination. So for this, it's just simple baby kuchu, but we have placed the kuchus very close so that it looks pretty. So again, the length of the kuchu is small. We generally call this as baby kuchu. So especially when we are working like this very closely, the length has to be as even as possible. Now because the kuchus are placed so close, if the length is uneven, then the finishing will not be good. So here this pretty blue one is a Mysore silk sari with this checkered pattern. It's a very heavy and grand sari, expensive as well. So this is the pallu. The sari was very pretty, very heavy also. I mean, when you lift it in your hand, it seemed heavy. So for this, customer chose the design herself, and this is how we have worked using a big hold bead and a silk thread bunch below that. So the video tutorial is up on both my channels. So this next sweet purple color is also a Mysore silk sari. So most of you keep asking what kind of designs suit Mysore silk saris. So here you can just take a look. We even in my previous videos I have posted a couple of Mysore silk saris. So this is again a heavy bridal design because this was a bridal sari. So customer herself chose the design from our catalog, and to just give it a grand look, we have used some stone chain, and crystals is used in the first line. So that's what standing out in this design. So this next one is also a Mysore silk sari, which is more like a red color. On the pallu we have done this kind of ari work, just a scattered creeper kind of design. We have used gold kattanas in small size, some kundans in gold color and red color, and kuchu we have kept it very simple. It's just the self color of the sari because customer just wanted that. So here this is again a fancy sari with double color. So for this, since customer wanted the kuchu in blue color, we have tied it in blue color. Generally we tie the opposite color, but she wanted blue, so that is the reason we did this part in blue. Even double color would have looked nice, but somehow she didn't want double color, so we just stuck to whatever the customer opted for. So this design is also uploaded on both our channels. Do try this design. It definitely looks better than the regular baby kuchu. So here this one is a very beautiful combination, like bottle green and red. It's like a must have for all the ladies out there. uh, for this is, I think, cotton silk sari. It's not a silk sari. Again, it's for somebody middle-aged, so we have kept the kuchu very simple. Just single color baby kuchu, but slightly longer in length because that's what the customer wanted. Now here in this clip you can see 3 to 4 saris where we've tied all different designs. There is simple baby kuchu, and for the second one we have used some elephant bead, and below that we have added a silk thread tassel. For the next one we have added small beads, and then the remaining two are just baby kuchu. So choosing the right colors is very important to get that neat look. So do choose the colors wisely. So here this is again a Mysore silk sari with checkered pattern, very bright blue and pink colored combination. So the sari looked really pretty. It had silver zari, and we have worked our most loved design, which is this double layered arch design, since the customer wanted that. Like I mentioned in the previous video, this is one of our super hit designs, and out of 10 customers, at least 8 customers choose that design. This one is a gold mix red tissue sari, which was very heavy. It was a bridal muhurtam sari, so she wanted something really heavy and different, and we suggested her this. She loved it when she saw the catalog, so that is the reason we have worked this design. Since there were no I mean only two colors in the sari, like gold and red, we just had to use those colors. Just in case your blouse is contrast, you can use that color as well in the sari. So this is how it looks. The choice of bead is totally on you. You can use any flat bead for this kind of design. So this is a pale pink and yellow combination. This is more like a tussar silk sari. For this we have worked this flower design. Now it's a little tricky to work this design, but I have posted one or more than one video tutorial where I have explained. I have also shared some tips and tricks on how to get that neat flower shape. So do watch the video and give it a try. In between we have just glued that flower bead. If you want it to look more grand, you can use some designer kundans. Designer kundans are available in pearl, white, gold, a lot of options. So using those also will make this design look beautiful. So this like sari also is of the same customer, and she wanted the exact same design, so we have just worked the same flower design, but the first line is worked in the self or the pallu color itself, and the floral part is worked in the body color, and tassels is again tied in the pallu color. So that's all in today's video. In case you guys like my work, in case you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Do visit my blog naughtythreads.net to see the insights of my boutique, and I guess that's about it. I shall catch you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care guys, and bye bye.